Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Zane.
Love you.
We love you really, really, really much, and we hope you are going to have a
The best birthday ever,
yeah.
and hope this. We love you guys, all of you.
We hope you come to Denmark. Come
Yeah,
to Denmark.
and-
To Denmark.
Now we will sing a little song for
No,
you.
no. First,
So-
I want to say, have a really, really, really happy birthday. I love you so much. I love you so much. Okay, now we will sing a Danish birthday song for you. So just
because
listen.
we think happy birthday is very boring.
Ja.
Okay.
2,
2,
3. Her er det Sagens fødselsdag. Kom nu. Hurra, hurra, hurra. Han sikrer sig en gave for, som han har ønsket sig. Og med dejlig chokolade og kager til. We love you! Ah! Okay,
We love you, and we want you to come to Denmark.
yes, but we are,
The whole
we love you.
come to Copenhagen because that's much cooler and
No,
yeah,
but
it's so big.
try to say rød grød med fløde.
Yeah, try to say that, and if you can say it, then
We love you more.
subscribe.
We love you more.
Yeah,
We love
can't
you.
love you more because that's impossible.
We love you